The forest was unusually quiet that evening, the kind of quiet that made even the trees seem like they were holding their breath. Jack Turner, a single dad in his mid-30s, was hiking through the woods after work, searching for fallen branches to use as firewood. His 7-year-old son, Mason, had been begging for a backyard campfire all week, and Jack rarely said no to him. Jack's life wasn't glamorous. He worked long shifts as a mechanic, raised Mason alone, and spent the rest of his time trying to stretch every dollar. But the woods, this part of the old national forest, had always given him peace. He knew its trails like he knew the lines on his palms. That's why, when he heard a faint muffled scream, he froze instantly. It wasn't the call of an animal. It was human. Jack dropped the bundle of sticks and listened harder. Another sound, this time softer, desperate, like someone fighting against the earth itself. He followed it, moving carefully through the trees, pushing aside thick branches until he reached a clearing. The ground looked disturbed, as if someone had thrashed against it. Then he saw it, a hand sticking out from the dirt, fingers trembling weakly. Jack's heart hammered. Someone had been buried alive. He sprinted forward and knelt beside the hand. "Hey, I'm here. I'm going to get you out. Hold on." He dug with his bare hands first, then grabbed a flat piece of wood lying nearby to scoop the dirt faster. The person beneath the ground was breathing, barely. Jack worked